Curry Crew. Today we have another delicious recipe for you. Now tell me, has this ever happened to you? I'm vegetarian. All my friends are eating chicken. What do I eat? Well, fear not, we got you covered, because today we're going to be making some amazing paneer wings. On those nights where your friends are eating chicken wings and you feel left out, well, this time you won't be left out, because we got an amazing recipe for you. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into our video. We're going to interrupt your video right now just to let you know that we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button down there so that you can watch all of the new videos that we post every week. We're going to post 2 videos every week. You want to make sure you see those recipes. So click subscribe and then punch that notification bell so you know when the videos come out. And now, back to your video. So step 1 for our paneer wings is to make the batter for the wings. So now into a large mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and we are following that up with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now we will season our batter, so into our bowl we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Next we will add in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Then we will add in 1 tablespoon of paprika, and follow that up with half a tablespoon of cumin. Now we're going to add in 1/4 tablespoon of white pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Next we will add in 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and finally we're going to add salt to taste, roughly about 1 tablespoon. Give it all a nice whisk in order to combine the seasonings with the flour and the cornstarch. Now this isn't KFC's 11 herbs and spices, but I think we got pretty close. Now, in order to form the final batter, we do need to add some form of liquid. So for this recipe, we will be using milk. So we're gonna add in a little bit of milk at a time, but not too much. We don't wanna make the batter all watery. So add in a little bit, give it a nice whisk, and then add in more if needed. In the end, our batter should look somewhat similar to pancake batter, if not a bit thicker. Once the batter is ready, we can move on to the next step of coating our paneer. So we have taken our paneer and we've cut it into strips like so, and we took about 400 grams or 12 ounces of paneer. Now we're going to simply dip our paneer into the batter so that it can be coated evenly on all sides, and then we will place it on a baking tray that is lined with parchment paper. Now while we dip and coat the rest of the paneer, preheat your oven to about 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 degrees Celsius. Once all of the paneer has been coated and placed onto the tray, we will place the tray into a preheated oven on the middle rack for about 20 to 25 minutes or until each paneer piece is nice and golden brown. After about 20 to 25 minutes, our paneer wings should be baked all the way through, so remove them from the oven and allow them to cool for about 5 minutes. After which we will add them into a large mixing bowl and coat with our preferred sauce. So now you can use barbecue sauce or buffalo sauce and just give your wings a nice toss in order to evenly coat them with the sauce. Let them get lost in the sauce. Once that is done, back onto the baking tray they go and back into the oven they go for another 5 minutes in order to let the sauce stick to the wings and get all nice and sticky and delicious. After about 5 minutes, you can remove the wings from the oven and allow them to cool down a bit before plating them up. And there you have it, guys. Our paneer wings are nice and ready and delicious and ready for us to dig into. And now you'll never feel left out when your friends are enjoying their chicken wings. Who knows, they may even steal 1 or 2 from you. So guys, hope you enjoyed that recipe. The wings turned out delicious and amazing and scrumptious. So you definitely need to try this out for yourself. Let us know how it turns out for you, and let us know if you have any other ideas for some awesome wing substitutes. So with that being said, try it out, let us know how it turns out, and keep on cooking.